Hello. Just wanted to show you guys some of our stock that we have. We have a lot of wigs in stock. Shop with us right now. We're still having our current sale on our website, and we have a lot of wigs available. So let me show you guys really quick what we have. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City store. All of the wigs that you see here, every single wig we have will have a 3-digit unit number right here, very unique to this specific wig. So when you go to magichaircompany.com, if you see a wig that you like, you can type in this 3-digit unit number right here and find all of the details on the wig that you like. Feel free to type below in the comments if you guys see a wig that you like and you want me to pull down and give you any more details on. We are located in Culver City, California, USA. We're about 10 miles from LAX. All of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com. We specialize in making glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs, and we have hundreds of wigs in stock and available here at our Culver City store. So we do definitely prefer that you make an appointment so that way we can clean down the station so you can have a one-on-one customized wig experience. Shopping with us, we can go over all of our custom color options, show you our great hair care product line. We have our very own keratin shampoo and conditioner available at magichaircompany.com and here in store, and we can custom color any wig that you like. All of the color that you see here has been done in store in our Culver City store. Whether you like a wig with bangs, some curls, some color, blonde, red, black, purple, wavy, straight, we have it for you here at magichaircompany.com. Go on over to our website and check out all of our in-stock wigs. This is the last week of our 20% off sale. There is no code needed. The code is applied at checkout, so you add the beautiful wigs to your shopping cart and we'll get them on the way out to you. We do have some braided wigs here as well as some bundles and clip-ins. Check everything out at magichaircompany.com. We have our kinky straight texture over here. We can color our kinky straight however you'd like. This is a red kinky straight with bangs. We'll style your wigs for you. Add some layers. There's no additional charge for layers, bangs, anything like that. Check out our full wig collection at magichaircompany.com. We're located here in Culver City, California, USA. Here is a 10-inch kinky straight. This is unit 464. So if you like this 10-inch kinky straight, we have quite a few of these. They're available at magichaircompany.com, ladies and gentlemen. Shop with us here in our Culver City store. We're currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. And yeah, let us know if we can further assist you guys. Thank you for watching our live today. I just wanted to get on real quick and show you guys a lot of the wigs that we have here in store. Our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City store. We'll see you later, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.